not quite that far, because you have to be able to get your tool in. And now I can slide it out there, and I can get my bar farther in on the outside of the turning. Okay. And typically, you'll feel when the shavings start getting too much in there. I can't tell you what the exact feeling is, but it'll begin to kind of bog up on you. Kind of start acting like it may want to catch. I try to get to it before that point. Okay, when I'm turning without the laser, primarily when I'm roughing, it does not hurt to use a set of calipers to help you judge where you're at and make sure that you're not getting too close to going through the side. And this one I've got a little over a ½ inch of wall thickness left, so I know I'm a good ways away from it yet. So we'll just continue the process. Okay, one more clean out, and I think it's time we go ahead and switch over to the swan neck bar with the carbide bit, and we'll go ahead and put the laser on that bar and go ahead and finish up the hollowing. And then we'll be ready to get the top ready for the lid, finish turning the piece, take it off, reverse chuck it, turn the bottom off, and then we'll be ready to start the lid. Now I've mounted the hook bar with the carbide cutter ready to finish up the inside. Already roughed it out with the straight bar and the carbide, or the high-speed steel cutter. I've got the laser mounted. To set the laser, the tool comes with a little card, which is very helpful, and you simply put it under your cutter, and the laser will hit, and at this point this one is set at about approximately 1/8 of an inch. So basically, for those of you who are not familiar with lasers, what you do is this laser light, the tip of it is set as we set it approximately 1/8 inch off the edge of the cutter. So as you're cutting, that light will gradually move out, and as soon as it gets down to where it drops off the edge of the wood, you know you're at the wall thickness you need. Sometimes I may let it stay a little bit on the wood depending, but that's how you can gauge your wall thickness. As you move around and cut in different sections of the turning, you will adjust that laser, which I'll show you that after we've gone through the first stage of it. And it's just a simple matter of a couple of set screws and making a couple of quick adjustments, and then you go on around and then down to the bottom. So where I'm going to start is on the top part of the turning, again to provide that extra support from the thickness in the bottom of the turning. All right, time to pull the shavings out again. I think you can see where the laser's hitting. I've still got plenty of wall thickness in there to get rid of. So we'll just keep taking it down, but I can't stress enough the importance of keeping the shavings out, because when they get full in there, it can really cause problems. Another little hint is always turn off the lathe before you pull your tool out. You can have a little slip of the hand and have that tool catch somewhere on the turning, either crack the top out, any number of things.